Oh, you have to ask her to do it too.
Oh yeah, when you talk about me on video, I have to be either two-tone or frog. They got my persona already.
My good friend Tony came by to show me his chainsaw bike and some of its features.
Ta-da! That's mine.
Yeah, there we go. Maybe we should highlight some of the features. And the fancy cabling. Everybody wants to see that. High-tech suspension. Kickstand of stars. Basket of glory.
Yeah, that'll carry it. I told you there's some off-center you got to settle with. Well, that's all maybe just a little over on that side.
Oh yeah.
But it's square. I'm going to tell you.
What do you get from one? It's good. It looks like it's clean.
I lost a screw.
No, you couldn't have lost the screw yet.
Oh, right there. Out of the pull starter.
Oh. Oh, you must replace that.
Yeah, that one's got to get back.
Oh. Well, we'll get a screw for that for sure.
And got one of them with the shiny Torx head on it.
No, we'll have to get a screw for that for sure. Yeah, there's probably one in there, I bet, somewhere. You'll have to dig for it, but definitely for sure, well, there's one.